Hi students, today's topic is completing square root method. Completing square root method. So how to find the square root in complete square method? Okay, the condition is solving a quadratic equation by completing the square method, completing the square root method, completing the square method. Okay, the method of completing square is done through the following steps. Okay, the first condition, write the quadratic equation is standard form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is step 1, first condition. Write the formation of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the first condition. Second, divide the both sides in this equation, dividing by both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x square, if it is not 1 except 1. In case only 1 means it's an ordinary equation, except 1 means a value become 5 or 6 or 7 or 9 like this, means 9 means, so dividing by 9 on both sides. Okay, next, third result, shift the constant term. So constant term equal to c. Here constant term equal to c. In this equation 4 is the constant term. So shift the constant term to the right hand side. This constant term shift on the right hand side. Here also 4 is the constant term. Shift on the right hand side. Okay. Next one, fourth one is a very important condition. Add the square of 1 half. Add the square of 1 half, 1 by 2. 1 half, add the square of 1 half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x equal to this value into b. The whole square. Coefficient of x on both sides. This is the rule, 1 by 2. Add the coefficient of, in this result, see. 1 half means 1 by 2 into coefficient, x coefficient equal to the value b into b the whole square. Okay, here b equal to the value minus 12. Okay, next condition, write the left hand sides as a square and simplify the right hand sides. Write the left hand side as a square. The remaining term of left hand side, write on the left hand side as a square formation. Square formation means a plus b the whole square formula, otherwise a minus b the whole square formation. A plus b the whole square form, otherwise a minus b the whole square formation. Okay. Next, last one, taking the square root on both sides and solve for x. Okay. Now shall we start the exercise? Okay. So see, listen. X is 3.11. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. So what is the first condition? Write the quadratic equation is standard form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is the standard form of ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. In second step, divide both sides of the equation by, in this equation, dividing by x square coefficient of x square equal to what the value x square coefficient is 9, dividing by 9 on both sides. So 9 on both sides. So 9 x square dividing by 9 minus 12 by 9 into x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. 9 cancel. 3 table 3 times, 3 table is 4 times. So x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. Second step is over. Third step, shift the constant term to the right hand side. This constant term goes to right hand side. So x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus, this constant term goes to that side, so minus 4 by 9. Third step is over. And fourth step, add the square of 1 half into of the coefficient of x term. Coefficient of x term equal to b. Here coefficient of x term equal to the value minus 4 by 3. So this is the condition. Add the coefficient of 1 by 2 into coefficient of x term. Coefficient of x term equal to what is the value? 4 by 3 the whole square. So what is the value? 2, 4 is 2 times. So remaining value is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 the whole square equal to 2 square is 4, 3 square equal to 9. This is the 4 by 9 is the value. 4 by 3 is the, 4 by 9 is the value of. Add the square of 1 by 2 into b. B means coefficient of x term to both sides. To both sides. Next, write the left hand sides as a square. Left hand sides as a square. So in this value 4 by 9, adding on both sides. Adding on both sides. So x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus 2 by 3 the whole square equal to the value 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 equal to minus 4 by 9, adding on both sides 4 by 9. Adding 1 by 2 into coefficient of x term equal to 4 by 3 the whole square on both sides. On both sides. Okay. Now in this result, left hand side result, write the left hand sides as a square. How to convert the square form? The first term is x square term. You can take x value. The last term 4 by 9. 4 by 9 can be written as 2 by 3 the whole square. The middle value in x coefficient value equal to what the value is there? Minus sign. So minus. So x minus 2 by 3 the whole square. In right hand side minus 4 by 9 plus 4 by 9 get cancelled. So equal to 0. So expand this equation. So a minus b the whole square formula. So a minus b the whole square formula equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now check the values. A square. So a square means x square. A instead of x. So a square means x square. B square means 2 by 3 the whole square equal to 4 by 9. Minus 2ab means 2 into 2 by 3 equal to what is the value? 4 by 3 into x. Therefore x minus 2 by 3 the whole square equal to 0. Therefore x equal to. Now taking the square root on both sides. Taking square root. Square root of 0 equal to always 0. Now square root get cancelled. Therefore x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3. So this is the solution. This is the solution of in this equation. Same question in direct method. Okay. In this equation dividing by 9 on both sides. What is the remaining value? So 9 dividing by 9. So remaining value 1x square minus 12 by 9x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. Now this 3 table is 3 times, the table equal to 4 times. So x square minus 4 by 3 into x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. Okay. Now x square coefficient is x. You can take x. This is a shortcut method. Okay. Listen 1 second. Listen carefully. X square வந்து ஒரு x மட்டும் எடுத்துக்காங்க. Middle value is second part. X coefficient value equal to minus. In this term, x coefficient term, dividing by 2. So 2, 4 get cancelled. So 2 times. So what is the remaining value? 2 by 3. இது அப்படியே ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணுங்க. So outside minus sign. இங்க plus minus என்ன sign இருந்தாலும் சரி outside minus போட்டுக்கோ. இந்த 2 by 3 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த 2 by 3 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ண வரைக்கும் 4 by 3 கிடைக்கும். 4 by 3. Sorry, 4 by 9. ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா 4 by 9. அடுத்து remaining term இந்த term மிஸ் ஆகுது plus 4 by 9 மிஸ் ஆகுது equal to 0. இந்த 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 cancel ஆயிடும். So remaining value x minus 2 by 3 the whole square. இதுக்கு நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுத்தோம்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டும் இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். So remaining value x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to number of 2 by 3. இது direct method. Do you understand? இன்னொரு வாட்டி வேணா சொல்றேன் பாருங்க, கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க. ஷார்ட்கட் மெத்தட். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ல வந்து என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட்ல ஒரு எக்ஸ் எடுத்துக்கோ, மைனஸ் சைன் இருக்குது மைனஸ், இங்க 4/3 இருக்குது, இந்த 4/3 இருக்குது, இந்த 4/3 எக்ஸ் கோஎஃபிஷியன்ட். அப்போ இந்த நம்பர் என்ன பண்ணும், டிவைடிங் பை 1/2 ஆர் 2 டிவைடிங் பை 2 ஆர் டிவைடிங் பை 1/2. இந்த 2வும் 4ம் 2 டைம்ஸ் ஆகும். இந்த 2/3 அப்படியே டைரெக்டாக 2/3 டைரெக்டாக எடுத்துக்கோ. இதை அப்படியே ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிடுங்க. அவுட் சைடு இங்கே ப்ளஸ்ஸு மைனஸ் என்ன சைன் இருந்தாலும் சரி நெகட்டிவ் சைன் போட்டுக்கோ. இந்த 2/3 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு 4/9 கிடைக்கும். ஸோ ரிமைனிங் ப்ளஸ் 4/9 ஒன்று இருக்குது. ப்ளஸ் 4/9 ஈக்குவல் டு 0. இது ப்ளஸ் 4/9 மைனஸ் 4/9 கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். ஸோ ரிமைனிங் வேல்யூ எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2/3 ஹோல் ஸ்கொயர் ஈக்குவல் டு 0ன்னு வரும். இப்போ இந்த வேல்யூக்கு நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுத்தோம்னா ஸோ எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் 2/3 ஈக்குவல் டு 0, therefore x ஈக்குவல் டு 2/3. this is the solution. ஆனால் இந்த சம்மில் வந்து இந்த மெத்தடில் நோ லாஜிக் இருக்காது, பட் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். வேறு ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்கள். ஓகே, கொஷின் நம்பர் 2, 5x. கொஷின் நம்பர் 2, 5x plus 7 dividing by x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 2. 5x plus 7 dividing by x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 2. Okay. Condition. Okay. What is the condition? First one, write the following equation is standard form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this equation, so convert to quadratic formation. Quadratic formation. This denominator comes to this side. So what is the value? In numerator value equal to 5x plus 7, which is equal to 3x plus 2. This value goes to that side in multiplication. Okay, x minus 1 into x minus 1. Now multiple 3x into x. What is the value? 3x square. Now 3x into minus 1 equal to minus 3x. 2 into x equal to plus 2x. 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2 equal to 5x plus 7. Now this is the greatest equation. The degree is 2. So 3x square minus 3x plus 2x equal to the value minus x. This 5x plus 5x goes to right hand side. So minus 5x. Minus 2 plus 7 goes to the side, minus 7 equal to 0. Now simplify. 3x square minus x minus 5x, so remaining minus 6x. Minus 2 minus 7 equal to minus 9 equal to 0. This is 3 times of x square minus 3 times of x minus 9. So in this equation, dividing by 3 on both sides. So 3 dividing by 3, 0 dividing by 3. Now 3 cancel. 3 6 is 2 times, 3 9 3 times. So remaining equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Any 0 dividing by 3 equal to 0, but any number dividing by 0 is undefined. Okay, undefined. This 0 by 3 is 0. The value is 0. Now finding the completing square root. Okay, this is step 1. So standard form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 in the quadratic formation. Step 1 is over. Second step, dividing both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x square. If it is not 1, x square coefficient equal to 1, only one number. So direct method. So how to direct method? Direct next step. Shift the constant term to the right hand side. This constant term goes to right hand side. So x square minus 2x minus 3 goes to right hand side plus 3. Okay. Third step is over. Fourth step, add the square of the 1 of into coefficient of x term. Coefficient of x term equal to 2, the whole square. So what is the value? 2 to get cancelled. Remaining value is 1 square. 1 square equal to 1. This 1 is adding on both sides. So x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 3 plus 1. This 1 adding on both sides. Next condition, write the left sides as a square. So x square coefficient, you can take x value, the last term constant 1 square equal to 1. So 1 the middle value plus or minus plus or minus 1 less than கொஞ்சம் கேப்ல பாருங்க plus or minus ஆனா so x coefficient equal to the value minus sign so minus the whole square so x minus 1 whole square equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4 the final step is taking square root on both sides taking square root on both sides taking square root on both sides now square root cancel so square root of 4 equal there are two solutions one is positive and one is negative square root of 4 equal plus or minus 2 values therefore x minus 1 equal to 2 solution one is positive 2 second solution x minus 1 equal to minus 2 so this minus 1 goes to the right hand side x equal to minus 1 become positive plus 1 so 1 plus 2 equal to 3 so x value equal to 3 this minus 1 goes to that side plus 1 so x equal to minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 1 so x equal to minus 1 therefore the solutions are x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 check the answer okay second type 2 solving a quadratic equation by formula method